The day has come, finally. It is here when robots actually do something useful, like fold your laundry, make your beds, and also take care of the elderly. Let me jump into this right now. But before I do, you can help me out by doing what's up here. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below. And of course, watch the video right to the very end. So apparently there's going to be 100 of these S1 units. It can chop your vegetables, fold your laundry, make your beds, and if you have any elderly in the house, it will take care of them as well. Now, we're not going to be getting this, the public that is, not yet. There's going to be some techie people who will have these units first to test them. After that, though, it will be a free public testing. And guess where this is going to happen? In Wuhan, China. That's right. You guessed it. Wuhan, China. And how much will this be? Around $15,000 US. And considering it can do all of this stuff, I doubt if it really can. But, that might be a bit of a steal. However, it's going to make us even lazier than we are right now. And you know what they say about idle hands, don't you? Yep. Your comments down below.